In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or enable a new Adobe Acrobat update, essentially helping you revert to an old version if you prefer. This process can be particularly helpful for those who want to stay in their comfort zone with a version they are more familiar with, or if a new update has introduced features that are not working well for you. First, let's start by opening your Adobe Acrobat application. Once you have it open, you'll want to navigate your attention to the top left corner of the screen. There you'll see the menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is your gateway to a variety of settings and options that can help you customize how Adobe Acrobat works for you. When you're in the menu, look for the option that says Disable New Acrobat. This option allows you to revert to a previous version if the latest update isn't quite what you're looking for. Select this option. At this point, you might be wondering why some users choose to disable the latest update. It often boils down to personal preference, system compatibility issues, or simply the desire to stick with a version they find comfortable and familiar. Once you click on Disable New Acrobat, a dialog box will pop up almost instantly. This is an automated notification from the application indicating that you will need to restart Acrobat to successfully apply the changes. In this dialog box there will be a button labelled Restart. Click on it. It's crucial to complete this step because restarting ensures that the changes take effect. Without a restart, you may still be using the updated version, which can be confusing if you were expecting the old interface and features. Now let's say you decide you want to re-enable the new Adobe Acrobat update later on. The process is similarly straightforward. Head back to the same menu at the top left corner. This time you will click on View, then look for and select Enable New Adobe Acrobat. This enables you to switch back to the newest version, allowing you to take advantage of any new features or improvements that Adobe has introduced. A familiar dialog box will appear again, prompting you to restart Acrobat. Once more, click on Restart to ensure these changes are applied. This step is identical to what we did earlier and just as important for the update process. By following these steps, you're able to control which version of Adobe Acrobat you're working with, giving you flexibility depending on your needs and preferences. Whether you are modifying your tools for work, study, or any personal project, having this capability can make your experience with Adobe Acrobat much smoother and more catered to your individual workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes navigating through Adobe Acrobat updates a breeze.